¿Dónde?
What, kid? Why am I sweating?
What's the intro?
What's the intro, Chris? Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chris. Psych. It's Angel. And I'm here. I'm taking over YouTube.
So I can go, dude.
Just go, bro. What are you gonna do? What?
Porque ahorita se van a entretener, van a jugar.
Come on, buddy. How you doing? Oh yeah.
That's what you guys do.
Esa era la caja.
¿Dónde?
Yo, take this shit off.
You take it off.
Why you stupid?
You take it off.
God dang. I can't believe
Chris. Even Chris's mom helped us out. Shout out.
Mom,
God!
you're the MVP here.
You're pissing me off! Wow.
I love you, Mom.
You're pissing me off! Dude!
¿Por qué?
Porque dice que me esperaba por la casa.
Pues eso era.
What the hell?
Esa era la caja, las que están plasticadas.
That's stupid.
Hey, Chris, I give you some good content, dog. Hey, subscribe.
Oh!
Did Mom do a good job distracting you?
Freak, yeah, she did.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Christian. Welcome to a vlog. What number is it, Christian?
22nd.
22nd. And today, we're pranking our kid, Christian.
Yes.
That can't be the intro. What are you guys doing?
We already did the intro inside.
So what are you guys doing right here?
We're doing the outro.
Are you gonna prank your cloud boxes?
What's up? What's up?
Hey. Guess what, bro? Even Baby Whiskas helped us out.
Hey, Joe and I.
Let's get it.
Woo! That was good. Look at this beauty. Shout out to us. He has a good YouTube video now. Hey, Chris. Oh, where did this kid go? Hey, dog. Chill, white boy. Damn.
Do it.
Dude, don't do it.
me do it.
Don't do it, Jacob. Jacob?
You know, who pissed me off the most was not the fact that you guys Saran mapped my car.
What was
that you
it?
guys are gonna take off later, of course, right?
What was it?
It's the fact that my mom, what's it called, kept keeping me busy, and she made up this whole goddamn excuse.
What was she saying?
The whole goddamn time.
What was the excuse?
I was this dude, and she's like, bueno, ¿ya está la caja?
Bro, yes, go.
¿Ya está la caja? Voy a ir por ella. ¿Todavía no? Ok, well, mi mijo va en 5 minutos.
Then you got mad.
And I was like, God damn, because we're gonna shoot the freaking video, trailer video.
Yeah, we're gonna shoot a
So
video.
like, before this nigga leaves, I wanna do it. I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, you guys are gonna take it off?
Hell no.
So you guys, how are you guys gonna take it off? How do you guys feel? I'm
is
putting all this work and you're gonna take it off. How do you
This is
feel?
the video that blows us up. Shout out to me. Shout out to Mickey.
Where can they follow you?
Shout
Snapchat?
out
Instagram?
You know my Snapchat, you know my Instagram.
No, I don't know it.
Just for you
Say it
guys.
though, say it.
No, because you're gonna do something stupid.
I'm not gonna do stupid.
Hey guys, subscribe to Chrissy. You're gonna do that.
If you don't
In
say
the
it, I'm...
description. So Chris, closing out the video, how do you feel about it? How do you feel? God
I
damn.
feel betrayed right now.
Oh
by
yeah?
my own mother. Why would you do this?
Ooh.
Why would you do this?
Let's go show him one more time, bro. Guess what, Chris? Chris, I got a joke for you.
This is how pissed I am.
Hey, Chris, I got a joke. Closing joke. You ready? You can't break that because you're weak. You ready?
Wait, let me break it.
And that. All right, break it. Guess, Chris. Guess what?
What's up, dog?
And that's a wrap. Chris.
I'm Spider-Man! How long did it take you guys to put it?
I don't know, like 30, 20 minutes? 20
How long did it
minutes?
take me to take it out?
A minute?
Joke's on you guys, kid.